Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winnebago, 7 miles north of Byron, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rockford and Winnebago around 3:55 p.m. Loves Park and Machesney Park around 4 p.m. Roscoe around 4:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Seward and Harrison, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 17. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south-central Lee County in north-central Illinois until 4:15 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., severe thunderstorm